Richie, Dotson again from Chateau Debris, aka my office, my shop, and we have today a converted RB. That doesn't sound right, does it? Well, here's what I mean. This banjo was born in 1957 RB, regular 5-string, 100. Now the neck is being used for a special project for a special person. And we built the neck that's on it now. We built it a while back, but some of these we get back, and this one someone wanted a radius board, so we're redoing a neck for that person. And this is in the Reno/Crowe style on an Indian rosewood fingerboard. I know some of y'all make fun of things and call it a squashed frog. I don't care. It's beautiful. I love the frog. Okay. There's nothing wrong with a frog. Just saying. All right. This one has whisper, soft, low action. A great match on the side there with the between the neck and the side of the resonator. And it plays buttery smooth. It's really low action. And so I'm leaving it alone because I kind of like it. And I obviously do not know what I'm doing, but that's not the point. So we have an RB-100 that the top binding was retrofitted on. Don't know by who. Pretty good looking job. Everything is original on this, except for we added one of our very first prototype unplated Dotson tone rings. It is a powerhouse of a banjo that nearly plays itself. And matching mahogany neck, new Godot tuners. We've converted a lot of style 100s. Now, the nice thing about those 100s and 150s, they didn't have a tone ring, but between 1948 and 1962, they did have a full thickness wood rim. And if you haven't looked into these old hide glue wood rims and resonator banjos from the late 40s up through 1962, they are somewhat more affordable alternate to a pre-war. These things have tons of power, punch, personality, darkness, brightness, and balance. So we are converting a lot of 100s and 150s here. Simply because of that, you know, you can get them, you don't have to pay 10 grand for one from the 30s with a one-piece flange. You know, you're getting something far more affordable and absolutely convertible, and good grief. I'll learn to play this stupid thing, maybe. If I could rewind and take back this rheumatoid and osteo, I sure would. But meanwhile, I'm going to keep picking until it puts me down. That's all I got. Anyway, we are offering this for sale through our shop, acousticbox.com. And you can email me, RICHIE. If you put a T in it, I don't know where that goes. People are like, I emailed you about a banjo and you never did reply. That's because you didn't spell my name right. I don't know why that's important. So, RICHIE at acousticbox.com. The telephone number here is area code 804-790-1705. We're probably going to be rolling equipment and everything as soon as we get all this stuff done and get the high-definition photographs uploaded to acousticbox.com. You can find us, of course, at acousticbox.com. And look in the instruments for sale column. If it's not there, and if in the YouTube video, in the title and the description, it says sold, there's no need to call, it's gone. But these are still fun to look at, and we'll leave the video up all the same. If you like these, or if you're shopping, or if you know someone shopping, give us a thumbs up, please, and leave us a comment if you'd like, and share the video. And if you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification, as soon as I upload a video, you will get a notification, so you won't miss these, even if you're not shopping. And we thank each and every one of you for watching. We appreciate everyone. And we hope to see you again at an event or something. I had a blast at Cabin Fever. I think I got that out of my system. And, excuse me. Oh, that smells good. Some of y'all know what I'm talking about. Ah, man. Come get this one. It's a good one. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and I will see you on the next video.